Behad ki Param Mahashanti to everyone. Here is Kalki Avatar Part 4. I request everyone listening to this video kindly go to earlier 3 parts of Kalki Avatar. We will provide the link in the description box. Over the course of time, through knowledge and meditation, people will slowly experience soul consciousness, that is Atma Swarup. Through this experience of soul consciousness, there will be a transformation of the multiverse from manifested to an unmanifested world. This means that there will be a transformation of the 5 elements to Param Tattva and then Param Tattva to Param Light. Slowly all of the solar systems, galaxies, universes and great universes in this entire multiverse will change. All of the soul in this multiverse will experience peace and transform into their true divine soul form. The souls that are from the higher dimensions comprise of great power. The souls with the power of infinite celestial degree, that is Behad Ki Kala, will spread their power in all the 4 directions throughout the multiverses. The Behad souls need to use only 10 Kala power, that is power of celestial degree, from their unlimited power of soul, to transform this multiverse. The world that people see today will transform into a very beautiful and divine world. For example, the mountains and the river will be made up of Param Light, and everyone will feel ultimate happiness and ultimate peace. Due to this ultimate happiness and peace in the air, and ultimate spiritual music will come out of everything automatically, and it will put everyone's mind in the state of ecstasy and ultimate peace. All of the souls of the different categories will recognize and return to their respective creators in the incorporeal form and attain Mukti or Jivan Mukti. The example of a soul and its creators are: creator of Shiv is Mahashiv, the creator of Mahashiv is Param Mahashiv, and the creator of Param Mahashiv is Param Param Mahashiv. There is a Brahma, Vishnu and Shankar in every solar system, and there are uncountable solar systems in the galaxy. Slowly these galaxies will transform and gain 10 Kala of power. The lighter quality souls that are under 10 Kala will dissolve into their creator and attain Mukti. The higher quality souls that comprise of 10 Kala or more will receive 4 to 5 times more power than what they already have. So this means that the soul that have 10 Kala power will become the souls with 40 to 50 Kala. In this new and much better multiverse, 90% of the souls will attain Mukti and 10% will attain Jivan Mukti. Slowly, as this new multiverse is created, the great universes that have any deficit will also be transformed. The Akari Bapuji, the Akari Behad father of Behad soul, known as Choto Ram Bapuji, is waiting for his children to return and has kept the vehicle ready for them. The third eye, known as divine vision of these Behad souls, will be awakened, and in their Nirakari state, that is in their incorporeal state, they will enter into their Nirakari vehicle to tour the uncountable Behad world. They will peacefully experience and observe what Behad Ki Kala is and how big the world of creation with the power of infinite celestial degree is. The father of the 33 crore demigods has also come to receive their creations. These 33 crore demigods comprise of different categories and will return to their part of multiverse according to their power in the soul in terms of number of Kala. For example, some will go to 100 Kala, some to 200 Kala, some to 300 Kala, 400 Kala, 500 Kala, 1100 Kala, and those that come from 101 PD will return there. All of the responsible creators in a subtle world are preparing for this moment to be able to take their creations with them when the time of the transformation comes. All of this preparation and work for transformation is being done in utmost secret, because now the father of Behad world, the knowledge of the Behad world and even sharing of the knowledge, everything related to it is currently a secret and is being done in a hidden manner. Eventually everything will be revealed and visible to everyone through knowledge. This is why the gift of knowledge is the ultimate gift. This is the right time to earn the ultimate fortune, that is Behad Ka Bhagya for Behad soul. Ultimate fortune will achieved through sharing this supreme knowledge to whole creation by any manner, so that the knowledge should spread rapidly in the atmosphere to connect all the souls to this knowledge. Knowledge will reach every corner to the world through internet and YouTube. Gifting knowledge is the ultimate gift which can uplift a soul to its creator. This is a gift unparalleled in terms of spiritual benefit a soul reaps in. This is a right time. If any soul wants to make ultimate fortune, then he or she can make it by sharing and spreading this knowledge throughout the world. Now time is very short and it is slipping each day. So every soul should use their time consciously to earn the ultimate fortune without wasting a moment. Thank you so much. बेहद की परम महाशांति है, महाशांति है, महाशांति है.